Hi everyone, Piotr Eternal here. Today I wanted to show you a little sneak peek into my remix of my friend, colleague and teacher Fabian Ulklang, a pineal gland dance. That's the original tune. And I did this remix probably a year ago already. I played it a few times and I decided to do a rework because there's lots of potential in that tune. I really loved it and I thought that it deserves a little bit better bass line, and I added also some elements. But today I wanted to show you, I probably make a few videos about this tune and some elements. Today I want to focus on vocals, and this is a part of the lecture I sampled. It's a lecture by Dr. Joe Dispenza on pineal gland. Pineal gland is this incredible gland that is so powerful, and it creates visions that are more real than this reality. And very often we have problem that we want to sample those incredible vocals, lectures, or some sort of wisdom, but people put some background music behind it, and it's very annoying and we can't use it in our tracks. So there's incredible plugin called Clarity VX by Waves, and let me show you what I did here.
When the pineal gland becomes electrically activated, it literally begins to produce a resonant electromagnetic field. And all of a sudden, a little antenna.
Alright, so I added my chain here. Let me deactivate this one, and let me deactivate Clarity, and the original sounded like that.
But when the pineal gland becomes electrically activated, it literally begins to produce a resonant electromagnetic field.
Right, so it has this ambient music, which is kind of nice, but it's not the same tonation that my tune, it's not the same key, and it would destroy my track. So what I can do, I can use this Clarity, and basically
when the pineal gland becomes electrically activated, it literally begins to produce a resonant electromagnetic field. And all of a sudden, a little antenna right up in your pineal gland. And now it can pick up frequencies that are faster than the wavelength of light. That's called a quantum. And all of a sudden now it will pick up a...
So basically, it can cut out the background noise or music. It's also incredible if you record your own. I don't know, I play lots of flute, and I record lots of flutes or instruments on my microphone, and I don't have like really crazy treated studio for that, but with this plugin I can reduce a lot of noise, so it's incredible. And of course it is not perfect, but it's mixed in when you use some more effects, compressors, delays, as I did here. You can really have a great effect that is good enough for the purpose of putting that into your song. And also to be, it's for me it's important for this message to be audible, because he's saying really interesting things about the pineal gland. So let's listen how it sits in this drop.
When the pineal gland becomes electrically activated, it literally begins to produce a resonant electromagnetic field. And all of a sudden, a little antenna right up in your pineal gland. And now it can pick up frequencies that are faster than the wavelength of light. It's called a quantum. And all of a sudden now it will pick up a frequency and transduce. A transducer is like a television. It takes a frequency and turns it into a picture. All of a sudden the person has an inner vision. And that inner vision is more real than the world we're sitting in right now.
Right, So I use this plugin a lot for getting really incredible wisdom from lectures or YouTube videos that has already some music, background music that I would like to get rid of. This is a really nice tip. So in the next video, I will also dive into some uh, drums that I did in this track, and this whirling, incredible in my opinion, whirling acid-like lead that is like swirling around the entire tune. I use this kind of technique a lot, and I really love to to use that kind of leads. Super psychedelic and super incredible energy. So yeah, that will be this for that video, and see you in the next one. Cheers.